Gary kept 234 marbles in two containers, A and B. After 2/5 of the marbles in container A were transferred to container B, there were 24 more marbles in container A than container B. How many marbles were there in container B at first? Now let's pause the video so that you can attempt the question yourself. In this case, this is a before and after kind of question. Before, we can't draw the model because we don't know which container has got more marbles. But after the transfer, I know that container A has 24 more marbles than container B, which that means I can draw the model for the scenario after the transfer. So container A, I will draw so much. Container B, I could wait for a while because I want to establish something. It says that 2/5 of the marbles were transferred from A to B. That means to say the number of units that's left in container A would then be 3 units. Well, the total is 5 units. You transfer 2, you're left with 3 units. That means to say container B would be approximately of this length because it will contain the 2 units that it received from container A and a little bit more, which originally what it has. And the balance over here would then be the 24 because it says there are 24 more marbles in container A than B. And since it's an internal transfer, the total number of marbles remains the same, which is 234. Now in model drawing, the unit size of each unit must be the same. In this case, we don't have all to be the same because we have got this amount here which is slightly different from the rest. So what I can do is that I can then add on this portion here. If I'm going to do that, if I do that, I will have got 6 complete units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the whole thing. Right? If I do that, that means to say 6 units would then be the original 234 plus the additional of this 24 over here, which means I will get 258. Work it out. 1 unit would then be 258 divided by 6. I will get 43. So 43 is this 1 unit over here. Right? So what I'm looking for is this portion here because it's asking for the number of marbles in container A at first. So to get this would then be 43 minus this additional 24. My answer is 19, and that is the number of marbles that were in container B at first.